Oh yeah, they're looking better already.
Yep, done.
Hey guys.
In today's episode, we wrecked Matt's headlights.
Oh yeah. They're better actually. Look at that. Look at that compared to that. Oh man, that is way better.
Yep. And also, we're gonna be drinking this Mozango. It's by Laguntas. So Mosaic hopped ale brewed with mango juice. Should be good.
Oh yeah. Be quite quaffable.
Neither one of us would truly expect it to come out this good, honestly.
Go past headlights and our sweet snow guards.
This is for hand on the steel, diamond on the wood. On the steel, diamond on the wood.
Maybe we should get one on the other side actually.
Oh, but yeah, that one's way bad.
Oh yeah, they're looking better already.
Yep, done.
This could be the worst idea I've had yet. I'm telling you, I did some headlights once with a cheap kit that was like this, and this is about how
That's
they turned
about
out.
how they turned out.
They weren't yellow though.
No
They
yellow.
just worked better. Now we're on the 800, and we'll hope that this makes it better than it was.
Definitely gotta go one more time. It's getting there though. What do you think of that beer so far?
Pretty good. It's definitely has a mango tea aftertaste to it. More tea
Yeah.
than mango, but you get the hint of mango. It's pretty good.
I think so too, yeah.
Quaffable.
Quaffable. Quaffable indeed. It's not too bad, but it's, I see some swirl marks.
Maybe go real slow one time. It's going too fast probably.
This, looks pretty good over here.
Right, I was really trying to base it off of, like, if you look, like, up here near the reflector, it's real clear looking.
Yeah.
But then you get kind of down here, and it's not quite the same.
Right. Humidity going on right now.
Yeah,
It's
which
getting
is
foggy and shit. Yeah.
give it a second to dry, and then put some sealant on it. Yeah.
Ballin'. Old and busted. New hotness. One headlight done, one beard done, on to the next one, and on to the next one. Come here, Mowgli. Hey, Stouffer. Oh shit.
Oh, yeah, recording.
Oh, definitely. Up head.
Neither one of us truly expected it to come out this good, honestly. But now we gotta get on to this one. So our first step is gonna be to go a little out of the way here, but we're gonna clay bar everything. We're gonna take these bugs out. We don't want them to get in the way and contaminate anything. I don't know if you can see how bad that is now, but right here, it's real great. It feels like sandpaper. Aside from all the bugs, that is.
Getting there. Playing like an hard pad yet.
Okay. Took me a second, but I figured it out. That's probably quite good on
Yeah, I think that's good. Pretty even.
800.
Right.
Probably gonna say one more time with the new pad, then jump to 3,000.
3,000, yeah.
So I got one more pad, might as well use it right.
Right, definitely.
peeling a banana.
Yep. I did the same thing.
What? Fuck it.
You peel it all off and just go for it, huh? Well guys, this is the final result of the 3M Headlight Restore Kit. We think it worked out really well. Low pass headlights and our sweet snow guards.